Let's get ready to griddle. Hey y'all, welcome back. We had a delicious pork chop dinner, but now my lovely assistant still has some room, so we're gonna put some fruit on the griddle. Peaches, pears, pear peaches, I don't know. It's not apples. Must be pear or peaches or nectarines or strawberries. I don't know, I wasn't paying attention. Some kind of fruit. She's whipping up some homemade whipped cream. Guess that's the only way to make whipped cream is whip it up. I had it up to high, now it's on low. And at some point we'll have to flip them over. I know some of y'all love brown sugar and cinnamon sugar and all that other stuff. I ain't got none of that right now, so whipped cream is going to have to do it. But I do have secret weapon angel food cake. We'll scatter all this stuff over the angel food cake. How's that sound? Sounds like a plan to me. These are cooking quick. I spread a little butter before you came to watch. Some of this is cooking faster than other pieces. Okay, let's turn this one all the way down to low. This one's still at low, medium, low. It's probably getting pretty close. Ooh. Getting close. So, this is on low now. And let's do some toasting on the butter and the sugar that's left behind. What do you think? How's that look? Yeah boy. Smells so good, they could come and slap your brains out. Oh, smells good. This is so light and fluffy. It's so fluffy! Oh, that's going to be nice. I say, go ahead and scoop up some fruity pebbles. Some fruit, whatever these fruits are. I've never really had a sweet tooth. I'm more of a savory tooth. Give me breads and all, but by gosh, griddled fruit is making me a convert. How's that look? Let me look with you. Ooh, yummy. Set that down. Maybe Give one more rotation to everything. And you know, when it gets down to low, it's slow to... Oh, it's got that fruity taste. And butter. Buttery fruit. Fruity butter. Butter fruity butter. We'll crank it up just a little. Just to get it a little warmer. Okay, I think that's done. What do you say? Throw all this in here. Put the fruit here. And this is all going to go inside. What do you say, boys and girls? Does it look like dessert? Looks like dessert to me. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great night. Bye.